Have you ever managed real estate data in a spreadsheet and found location tracking confusing due to duplicate records or repeated street names? With MAPOG's no-code tools, those scattered addresses become clean, reliable map points without any GIS expertise. To begin, head to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map, give it a title and description that match your project, and hit Create. This sets the foundation for your map. Next, to upload your spreadsheet, go to Process Reference Layer and choose Upload CSV Excel file. This imports all addresses at once, avoids manual entry. Then browse and upload your file, which includes details like street name, district, state, and zip code that way MAPOG has accurate inputs to work with. Once uploaded, select geocoding to automatically convert those text addresses into real map points. Choose your country where the locations are by manually selecting or searching it, and select the address fields such as street name, district, state, and zip code. Then arrange the address fields in the order you want by dragging them upward and downward. Once satisfied, save the arrangements to preview the address field. You can reselect fields if needed, or choose Save and Plot to submit, and instantly, your properties appear visually on the map without needing coordinates. From here, just click on any point to see its details such as geocoded latitude, longitude, and the complete address. If you'd like a backup, go to Map Layers, click on Show Data Table, and hit Download Data Table. That gives you a CSV copy of all your map data, so you always have a clean, reliable record. To make your map more engaging, select a point and click Add to Map Overview. Then click the pencil icon and choose Edit Custom Location Details. Here you can add titles, descriptions, and even images of the site and then save it. Now your portfolio isn't just rows of data, it becomes a visual story you can share with your team or clients. This not only helps with real estate, but also industries like emergency response, where teams can quickly plot shelters. Logistics firms to streamline deliveries, urban planners to design smarter projects, and businesses to uncover new market opportunities. With MAPOG, scattered addresses become reliable map locations, with every detail intact, from street names to geocoded latitude and longitude. Raw data transforms into a clear, visual story that's simple, organized, and easy to share. Start mapping today at story.mapog.com. For styling or presentation help, contact support@mapog.com.